What's up, guys? This is Andre here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what they don't tell you, MyEcon review. I know a lot of people has been searching all over the place trying to find information. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what I like, what I don't like, and you have to make your own judgment for it. All right. So if this is your first time to my channel, I just want to say an official welcome. My name is Andre, and on this channel, I talk about everything to help people get to financial freedom, how to become better in online marketing, and all that type of stuff. So I've been doing this now since 2017. So I love doing it. I love to help people. And I'm going to jump into things right away and talk about MyEcon. All right, so this is a MyEcon review. And first, let me share my screen so you guys can see exactly what's going on here. So I'm sure some of you have been onto the website. You guys are doing the research. Is MyEcon a good company? So far, they've been around for 12 years. Yes. It is a legit company. Absolutely. All right. So I'm just going to tell you my personal reviews on this, and then you guys can decide. So subscribe to my channel to get some more upcoming videos. And if you have more information about anything online business, feel free to check out the videos as well. All right. So I'm going to jump into things right away. So what is MyEcon? MyEcon is a short term for my economy, right? So what I like about it is that they're here to help people. You can boost your credit score. And if you have bad credit, believe it or not, if you live inside of the US and you don't have good credit, you are basically lost because you cannot get maybe a house, maybe you want to get a new car, or maybe you just want to have a better life. So of course, MyEcon is going to help you to boost like your credit score, right? So it's going to help boost your credit score. And the thing that I don't like about it, it's just for US residents only. And on my channel, and people all over the world is looking for an opportunity, right? And they're looking for ways how to make money, ways how to increase their cash flow. And that's the only thing I don't like about it, is because it's US residents only. And they're heavily into credit score and, of course, Credit Bill America, as you could see, right? So it minimizes your taxes. It also help you generate like business income and also do like asset accumulation. All right. So let's check out the website and see. All right. So why choose MyEcon? As you can see right here, America is like the wealthiest country in the world. It shows the stats and it tells you like 25% of the world's wealth is home of 536 billionaires and nearly up to 7 million millionaires. So there's a lot of people that are making money online, not only online, but in the United States, right? So as you can see, I already told you, they minimize taxes, strategies, and they're huge. That's like their main thing. They're huge on taxes and boost your credit, right? It's also a business opportunity as well, right? So it's a business opportunity where you can get, income as well, just by a referent, or let's say introduce it to other people. So what is it? It's a company that can help you get to financial freedom, right? How are you going to get there? Well, a lot of people out there, and they see this MyEcon, they're doing their research, they're going all over the place. Is this real? Is this legit? Yes, it is a legit company. But what happened is a lot of people join the company, and the sole purpose for what I see going on right here is majority of people trying to get a better life, right? So they join the company and they will join someone who maybe doesn't have any knowledge or any skill to help them. So what they do, they start off maybe the first month or the second month and the third month, and then they fall off because they don't have the training. They don't have the necessary tools to help them get them to where they want to go. Because from all I could see, it's all newbies. And the new people are not getting any help whatsoever, right? So yes, they do have training. Do they have marketing training? I haven't seen any of that, right? I haven't seen any of that. So let me just jump into products and see what else they have to offer, right? Because so far it's a great company, right? It's a great company. You can make money. You can boost your credit score. But again, pick your own judgment. Do you want to sign up and start to recruit other people to do it? If that's your gig, go for it. If it's not, just use it for the service, right? Use it for the service to build your credit. But if you're just here to try to use the associate side of it or just to get an extra income, well, join a team where you're going to get help, because you're going to join it, you're going to sign up, and then what's going to happen? You're not going to know exactly what to do. You never even create a video yourself. You don't know how to place ads to generate income, and you're just going to be lost. So I'm just going to tell you the truth. So make sure you check out somebody who is credible. There's a lot of people that I know out there that's credible, right? And they will give you training. They have like weekly training in private Facebook groups. So make sure you go inside of it as well. All right. So as you can see, they have like ID Defender. They have Smart Credit, right? There's like Cash Flow Manager. You could book travels with it. So let me look. They even roadside assistance. So let's click on roadside assistance, right? So they have like a roadside assistance where Road Assure roadside assistant program where, once you sign up, as you can see, they're reliable emergency roadside assistance services, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, towing service. Maybe you have a problem with your battery jump start, you have a flat tire, you get locked out of your car. Believe it or not, my uncle did one time, right? And we had to call another company, not this company. But as you can see what they have offered here, right? So the plan covers the member plus spouse or additional family members. So look at that, right? You could sign up for the benefits. So yes, it is good. So a lot of people out there is not only for the opportunity of making money. Yes, you can make money, but do keep in mind that you could sign up just for, like the Credit Assure Cashback Mall. Not sure what this is, but as you can see, there's a lot of different things here that you could check out, right? They have like a list of different things that you can use with, cashback with the MyEcon, right? Smart credit system. Yeah, so you can check this out as well, right? So I'm not sure if this is an additional plugin that you have to pay for. Yes, so there you go. It's like a $99.95 if you want to get like an additional. But you can sell these services as well to people out there, and you can earn a commission from it as well. All right, so health and nutrition, there's a lot of things in here. So that is just my what they don't tell you about MyEcon, and that's just my review. And again, make sure you join someone who knows exactly what they're doing, right? Knows exactly how they're going to assist you, how they're going to help you, and say, hey, listen up. I'm just going to show you how you can get like your first referral or your first sign up. Because from what I'm seeing, a lot of people is doing it for that. And nothing is wrong with that, because the entire world is referral. How did you know about Amazon? Someone told you about it. They're referring you to Amazon. Not, so indirectly, right? So look at it. So you heard about Amazon through people. So this is what this company is doing right now. They're using people instead of using advertisement on TV, home meetings, all that kind of stuff. They use people like you and I and say, hey, guess what? I need you to go out there and I need you to find more people who want to fix their credit. So they're huge on credit. Check it out. It's a 12-year-old company from the time I'm shooting this video. So far, they are credible, right? And check it out. There's a lot of people out there who's like crushing the game. And when you enroll, right, when you get started, you get like your personalized website. You get like a world-class business system, world-class financial software, valuable tax benefit, plus you get world-class support and recognition. All right, so from what I'm seeing, a lot of people are using this. They're using the same website. So if you want to be unique and you want to step away from the crowd, you're gonna have to create like your own capture page. So create like, what's a capture page? A page where someone is gonna enter their email in exchange for information. And that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna build relationship using an autoresponder time and time again. That's how people join company or service. And I'm sure you've seen MyEcon all over. Maybe it's Facebook, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or maybe on Google. You're doing your research and you said, you know what, let me go on YouTube to get more information. And I'm sure you've seen and you've been doing your research over and over again. So that's how it is. People have to check out things before they join. And a lot of people just get butt hurt. You know, they sign up and they expect they're going to get somebody sign up by Friday. It doesn't work like that. So don't judge your first stage with someone else who's been like successful. You've seen a lot of people on Facebook and a lot of people on YouTube showing you income proof and all that kind of stuff. So don't get discouraged, guys. Don't get discouraged and say, you know what, wonder if I could get there. Yes, you will get there, but you got to pay the price. You got to put the work in. You got to put the sweat in. Those people that you see are showing their income proof, they've been around. They've been doing this for a long time. They've went into the trenches and they put in the work for it. Why do you think you're going to come in and just start blow up like this and you've never done anything like this before, right? So remember, make sure when you sign up with someone who's going to help you, someone who's going to assist you, get you to where you want to go. There's a ton of Facebook groups out there. If you guys want to send me a message on Facebook, right, feel free to send me a message. This is me. Right? I'm going to leave some information down below. And that's my wife. That's my baby. I've been doing online stuff now since 2017. And this is what I do full time. And if you guys want to learn more information of how to generate leads and sales and how to get more people for your business, check out the description down below, right? You're going to see like my #1 recommendation of what I use to generate income online as well. And there's so many different ways how you can get like different capture pages. So if you guys want to be a part of groups of someone who is willing to help you, hey, you're at the right place. Hit me up, message me, and I'm gonna answer you guys the way how I get the messages. All right, so I get tons of message every day, so I'll get back to you. So all you got to do is just wait until I reply. All right, so that is my econ review, what they don't tell you, what I like, what I don't like. And also one more thing before you guys even go. All right, so before you even go, a lot of people don't tell you that you have to, you know, the first 2 people, I think you get like $8 something, you know, per person as shooting this video. It could change later on. We don't know, but you got to get your first 2 people before you start getting that $34.95 or whatever it is that you have to use to sign up. So again, if you want to learn more about MyEcon review, join someone who's reputable, join someone who's going to help you, and not someone who's going to say, hey, sign up and then ghost you, because I had that before. But your sponsor is not responsible for your success. No one is responsible for your success except for you, all right? So go out there and crush it, do good, make some money. MyEcon review, what they don't tell you. That is my personal opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Subscribe to this channel. Peace.